we can make a case for teacher loss, leader loss, counselor loss, instructional coach loss, district leader loss, because none of us got all the PL that we would have gotten a year before. None of us. And yet, I look at this generation, this generation of teachers and leaders and staff, and think to myself, what can't you do? Because everywhere I've gone, people have agreed, and we've celebrated this. And my point is this: you can't have it both ways. We can't celebrate our resiliency and then cast students as broken, and then cast them as, oh my God, this learning loss is going to put us in a position where we can't get them where they need to go. You can't have it both ways. So if we're going to celebrate how we've come through, while all of your students have navigated the same crisis, then you need to give them the credit as well, because here's what happens with learning loss. It starts off as a cute alliterative notion, learning loss, something that rolls off the tongue really easy. And then we get on social media, and then it starts to swirl and percolate. And then all of a sudden, it becomes this big, hand-wringing mess that sets you up to have a built-in, freshly baked excuse to not get kids where they need to go. That's what learning loss has become. Learning loss has become an insurmountable obstacle. And if you buy into it, you are never going to be at your best. You'll work hard. You'll be dedicated and committed, but you'll be doing charity work and not advocacy work. You'll do work out of pity and not advocacy, because it's an impossible goal. That's a statement about human beings. At worst, you'll comply. At best, you'll show up and commit, and it'll still fall short. It's insurmountable. So, and how do you lose something you never had? Please flush learning loss from your vocabulary.